Hello, I am Mithil Sudhar.
And I'm Krishna Kanaya, and in this video we'll be looking into getting more details about a release.
To get more information about the release, we will use the get command. So first, let's create a release so we can look into more details about that particular release. So first, we will install this WordPress release. So nothing fancy here, I am just overriding the blog name. So this is installing and creating a new release from this WordPress chart. As we can see, our WordPress release named my-wordpress has been deployed. We can do Helm ls to find out our release has been installed or not. We can see my WordPress release here. Next, we will look into the syntax for the Helm Get command. We can do that by Helm Get. The Helm Get command has subcommands such as all, hooks, manifest, notes, and values to get extended information about a release. We'll look into each command. So first we will look into the notes command to get information about to see the notes for this particular release. We can do Helm Get Notes. This will display the same information that we saw when our install was complete. Next, we will look into the manifest, the deployment files that were generated when we installed this chart. To do that, we will do Helm Get and then manifest. So to find my manifest command, so this will deploy. This will show us all the YAML files. So here we can see this is our deployment YAML file. Next, we will look into the values that were generated by this chart when it was installed. So for this release, we can see all the custom values that were set. To see that, I will do Helm Get and the values command. Here, the only custom value that we supplied was WordPress blog name. So it is only showing that value, WordPress blog name, as Helm Testing Blog. And finally, we will look into if there are any hooks available for this release or not. To do that, we can do Helm Get and then do hooks and then the name of your release. This will display the hooks that are available for this release. So it shows that this is the test runner, and it shows us another YAML file. Note it does not show the all other YAML files. It is just showing the hooks that are available for us. In the annotations, we can see this is the helm.sh/hook. It says test success. So that's all for the get command. Using the Helm Get command, you can get extended information such as values, notes, manifests, and hooks. You can also do, finally, I can show you another command, the all command. All command will show you all the information about a release. So everything is displayed here. This feels like doing a dry run on an install. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next video.